What if I told you that the jungle has already figured out how money works? Not Wall Street, not your favorite finance influencer, but monkeys. Yes, monkeys. Because deep down, you are one. No, not in a cute, fluffy National Geographic way. In a banana-chasing, short-term reacting, shiny thing-grabbing kind of way. You think you're making money decisions, but really, your inner monkey is. And until that monkey evolves, you'll stay stuck. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most people never get rich, not because they're lazy, not because they don't care, but because they never cross the one threshold that changes everything, $100,000. Let me say it louder for the monkeys in the back. Your first dollar 100K is the hardest, but it's also the moment you stop acting like a broke primate and start building like a wealth-building machine. Let's break it down. The banana chaser. This is the monkey most of us start as. He sees a banana. He wants it. He grabs it. You get your paycheck. You see a new phone, a weekend trip, a dopamine hit. Swipe, done. Banana gone. No savings, no investments. Just banana peels and regret. Banana chasers don't think about next week, let alone 10 years. And that's exactly why they never reach $100K. Because the journey to $100K, it's not about bananas. It's about building a fruit forest. The shiny object monkey, he's not chasing bananas anymore. Now he's distracted by the shiny stuff. Crypto pumps, drop shipping fads, new car, flashy clothes. This monkey doesn't invest, he gambles, always hoping for a shortcut to $100K. But wealth doesn't work like that. Wealth is built slowly, then suddenly. And shiny object monkeys, they burn out before they ever see the compound effect kick in. They don't need more luck. They need more focus. The mirror monkey, this one watches everyone else. He copies what the other monkeys do. No questions asked. Oh, they're buying a house? I should too. Oh, he's investing in this? Let me throw in $2K. Oh, everyone's broke and complaining? I guess that's normal. Mirror monkeys stay stuck in the herd, and the herd rarely gets rich. They don't question the system. They just obey it. But if you want to reach $100K, you've got to stop mirroring and start mastering. Your financial plan isn't a reflection. It's a blueprint, the nest builder where everything changes. This is the moment the monkey becomes different. He starts thinking long-term. He's not chasing bananas. He's planting trees. $500 invested here. $1,000 saved there. Budgeting, automating, avoiding lifestyle creep. At first it feels slow, like watching a tree grow. But something strange happens around $30K, then $50K, then suddenly $100,000. And that's when the jungle bends in your favor. Because now, your money starts doing the monkey work, the magic of $100K. Let's break it down. $100,000 invested at a 7% return earns you $7,000 per year. That's $583 a month. That's a used car payment. That's rent in some cities. That's money that shows up even if you're sleeping in your hammock. Now reinvest it. Next year, you earn interest on $107,000, then $114,490, then $122,504. Welcome to the compound interest jungle, where your dollars become workers and your time becomes leverage. This is why $100K changes everything. Because before $100K, you carry the load. After $100K, your money starts carrying you. It's the tipping point, the escape velocity. The moment you evolve from monkey to money master. Why most monkeys never make it? Because let's be honest, the jungle is distracting. Your friends are spending. No, TikTok's selling. Your life is tempting. Bananas are everywhere. And saving $100K feels invisible. You put in $10,000 a year for 5 years, and your investments give you $2,000 in return? It feels like a scam, but that's the test. It's a psychological jungle trap. The people who get rich are the ones who can delay the banana, ignore the shiny things, and sit quietly while their tree grows. They don't act rich. They become rich. The evolution path. Let's walk through how a monkey evolves. Banana chaser budgeting. Bonobo learns to say no to dopamine, tracks income, starts saving. 2. Shiny object monkey, slow climbing gibbon, or stops gambling, picks simple, long-term investments. 3. Mirror monkey mindful mandrill, builds a personal plan, questions everything. 4. Tree jumper, consistent capuchin, stops hopping, sticks to one high-income skill or strategy. 5. Nest builder, wealthy orangutan, hits $100K, automates wealth, starts teaching others. Which monkey are you? The orangutan philosophy, The wise old orangutan doesn't chase. He compounds. He's calm when markets crash. He's patient when friends splurge. He knows the jungle is loud, but wealth whispers. When you hit $100K, something inside you changes. You stop seeing money as something to spend. You see it as something to multiply. You think long-term. You feel safe. You make better choices. Because now you're not surviving. You're building a legacy. Your next steps, monkey-proof plan. Let's bring this home. You want to hit $100K? Here's how to monkey hack your way there. 1. Automate everything. Invest monthly in index funds. Set it. Forget it. Let it grow. 2. Track like a hawk. Live like a monk. Know where every dollar goes. Cut out noise, not joy. 3. Increase income, not lifestyle. Earn more, but don't spend more. Put the extra into the machine. 4. Celebrate milestones. $10K. Win. $25K. Win. Every step proves the system works. 5. Protect the compound machine. Don't panic sell. Don't get distracted. Don't chase bananas. Final words from monkey to master. You don't need to be smarter. You don't need to be richer. You don't even need to be perfect. You just need to out-evolve your instincts. You were born a banana-chasing monkey, but you have the chance to become a wealthy orangutan. Calm, patient, compounding. Your $100K is waiting. Not in the trees, not in the trends, but in the habits you build today. This is your jungle. Yeah, make it work for you. Because once you hit $100K, you're not just richer, you're freer. And that's what every monkey has secretly wanted all along.